皆さん、こんにちは。お元気ですか？私は昨日、京都でお酒を買いました。Yesterday, Kyoto at. What did I buy? 買いました。買う means buy, to buy. 買いました。Bought. So, what did I buy? お酒です。What did I buy? お酒です。お酒を買いました。私は昨日、京都でお酒を買いました。あなたはお酒を飲みますか？あなたはお酒を飲みますか？あなたはお酒を飲みますか？ If you drink, then 明日 tomorrow 一緒に means together 一緒に tomorrow together 飲みませんか？飲みません You don't drink You don't drink Question You don't drink Question Don't you drink alcohol together tomorrow? Do you know what I mean? Alright, so tomorrow, if you drink, あなたはお酒を飲みますか？ That's what I asked. Then, if you drink, let's suppose you drink. You love alcohol. So, let's go drink together tomorrow. Together, drink alcohol together tomorrow. Okay? So, this is a, why don't you drink? If you just say, why don't you drink? Then, why you don't drink this? Right? What if you use like, why don't you drink alcohol together? That means let's go drink together tomorrow. Right? That's common in English too. Alright? So, 飲みません. If you just say 飲みません, then I don't drink. 飲みませんか? Question, right? So, I don't drink. Then plus a question, which means why don't you drink alcohol together tomorrow? 明日一緒にお酒を飲みませんか? That means let's go drink together, right? Well, if you are asked 明日一緒にお酒を飲みませんか? Then you say two patterns, right? So one of the pattern is いいですね good いい good ですね good gooded. You know what I mean? So you say good. It's kind of like good past, gooded, which means you allow it. You allow it, alright? So then we say いいですね That's good. いいですねすみません I'm sorry. Which means you deny this asking, right? So, いいですね。一緒にお酒を飲みましょう。飲みましょう。いいですね。飲みましょう。飲みましょう。飲みましょう means let's do this. Wait. Well, I just said 飲みませんか？明日一緒にお酒を飲みませんか？ Let's go drink together tomorrow, right? But this is a question mark, so which means we are asking. I am asking to you. What I'm asking? Let's go drink together tomorrow, right? So this is not exactly meaning into let's go drink, right? Because you're asking. It's kind of like, shall we go to drink? Shall we go drink alcohol together? But there is no verb to go, right? So let's drink alcohol together. This is also good. But, well, if you ask someone to go, someone to drink, then you go to bar or somewhere. So you don't have to include that verb, all right? Well, this is let's. This is why don't you, or why don't we, or shall we, then ask. Okay? So, いいですね。飲みましょう。飲みましょう。Drink. Let's drink. That's good. That's a good idea. Let's go drink. 飲みましょう。Well, if you don't want to go, or if you have any plans, then you can't go tomorrow. Then, すみません。明日はちょっと。ちょっと means a little. Tomorrow. Well, we don't exactly say no. That's harsh. So, I'm sorry. Tomorrow is a little, right? So, you want to say some excuses to, say no, but you don't want to say no. You don't want to say just no, because it's gonna hurt their feelings, right? So you wanna say no, kind of like, use another phrase to say no. すみません。明日はちょっと。That means you have some plans to do tomorrow, so you can't go. Okay? すみません。明日はちょっと。Or, すみません。ちょっと明日は。Both are good. Well, this is grammarly correct, but this is also good. Nobody cares. Alright? Well, すみません。明日はちょっと。Or, すみません。ちょっと明日は。Both are good. Or, if you want to be more polite, then, if you want to be polite, then you want to complete the sentence to, say your excuse. すみません。明日はちょっと友達に会います。Well, this is also good. すみません。明日はちょっと。Well, let's practice. 明日一緒に京都へ行きませんか？ I'm asking to you. 明日一緒に京都へ行きませんか？行きます means to go, right? So, where to go? 京都。明日一緒に京都へ行きませんか？ Then, you answer. いいですね。What would you say? いいですね。Well, you bring this verb to here, then you can complete the sentence. いいですね。行きましょう。いいですね。行きましょう。すみません。明日はちょっと。すみません。明日はちょっと。You can also say that. Well, let's suppose we are in Kyoto because I asked. Then, I found a cafe. Oh, あそこはカフェですね。 あそこ Do you remember? ここ、そこ、あそこ Right? Standing at the point, then you can reach your hand ここ Then you can reach your hand but it's a little bit far Then そこ Then you can't reach your hand but you can see something and you can point there That's あそこここ、そこ、あそこ Right? So あそこはカフェですね。カフェ。あそこはカフェですね。あそこはカフェですね。ちょっと休みませんか Because we are walking so long. So, ちょっと休みませんかあそこはカフェですね。ちょっと休みませんか休み means to rest. So, ちょっと休みませんか Well, this is a little, but you don't translate this. Okay? 休みませんか It's too direct. Okay? So, we kind of like, how to say, kind of like, to start the conversation with this word, ちょっと。ちょっと休みませんかThis is natural, okay? あそこはカフェですね。ちょっと休みませんか That means we are going, do we? Well, why don't we go to the cafe to rest? Okay? So, あそこはカフェですね。ちょっと休みませんか If you agree with this, いいですね。行きましょう。Well, you can also say, いいですね。休みましょう。Because you are asked to rest together, right? So, いいですね。休みましょう。Or, いいですね。行きましょう。Let's go to the cafe. Alright? You can choose the verb. Alright? Well, if you want to say no, then すみません。Let's go. すみません。Okay? すみません。Let's keep exploring. Well, you don't want to say. Alright? Well, we found a cafe. Then, what would you order at the cafe usually? Coffee, right? But we say, お茶を飲みませんかお茶を飲みませんかお茶 means tea. Well, we say, お茶を飲みませんか That means, let's drink tea, right? But this お茶 don't exactly mean tea. You can have a coffee or you can have a beer or anything that in English is kind of like the same, let's have a cup of coffee, right? But you can order anything you want, right? But in Japan, we say お茶 instead of coffee. Okay? お茶を飲みませんか Then, if you ask to me お茶を飲みませんか Then you can order anything. You can have a cup of coffee or anything, you don't have to order tea. Okay? And I don't have to order tea. Just, this is kind of the phrase that we drink something. Okay? Well, let's summarize what we've learned today. So, 行きましょう。行きましょう。Let's go. ましょう。行き to go. This kanji means to go, so which means let's go. Alright? 行きませんか行きませんか means why don't we go? You ask you ask to do something, saying, let's go. Okay? So which means, shall we go? Or why don't you go? Why don't we go? Or something like that. Okay? So, let's do this. Or, why don't we go? Or shall we go? Why don't you go? Alright, 2 patterns. Alright, so if you have any questions, you can also comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。